Now, meteorologist Rachel Briers with KLBK's first warning weather.
Well, it definitely felt like spring today, although the real start of spring doesn't happen until March 20th. So technically we are still in winter out there, but it definitely doesn't feel like it. But let's look outside of what we have been seeing all day today. Lots of beautiful sunny skies. And again, we did see a few of those puffy clouds start to make their way in as we moved over the past couple of hours. Now, in terms of temperatures, we raised up pretty nicely today. 70 degrees right now in Lubbock, humidity down at 22%. So very dry warmth out there. And that wind coming in from the east at only 3 miles per hour. Now, out on our satellite and radar, we are seeing a little bit of activity, and it's really stretching really from Lubbock all the way down to Gaines County, also into Lee. But it's very, very light rain, if anything. A lot of these showers are creating Virgo, which that just means rain that falls and then evaporates before it even hits the ground. So a lot of this will not even be making it to the ground, but don't be surprised if you feel a sprinkle or two. A couple may be able to produce a little bit of rainfall, but very, very slight, if anything. But a big rainmaker is actually down in the Gulf right now. It's pushing up lots of activity down towards Corpus Christi, Houston, into our coastal areas of the state of Texas. But that's the big rainmaker for this state right now. In terms of temperatures, though, across the state, we're anywhere between the 50s and all the way up into the 70s. We're looking at 57 in Austin, 61 in San Antonio, and 71 degrees in San Angelo. And we're not doing too bad either. We're warm and we're staying in the 60s and 70s. We're looking at 69 in Rawls here and 67 degrees in Levelland. So definitely cannot complain about our fantastic weather we saw today. But as we head into the rest of tonight, temperatures will be dropping down into the upper 30s. But then tomorrow, we are going to rise back up into those 70-degree temperatures, and we're expecting another round of sunshine heading into tomorrow. But then on Friday, things start to change. Mostly sunny skies still, but as you can tell, not going to see much in terms of rainfall. We actually do have a little bit out in New Mexico, and then on the other side, we're actually seeing a little bit towards the east, and we're just right in between it. So we're hoping we'll see a little bit of shower activity taking place in the South Plains, but the chances are very, very slim. We're talking maybe a 10% chance for a little bit of rain for the South Plains area, but going to see mostly clear skies as we head into Friday. But before Friday, let's look at today and what we're expecting for tomorrow. Now, we do have this high that's out in New Mexico, and that really gives us clear weather. Clear and sunny is usually what the high pressure system brings to us. But then off to the coastal areas, they're actually dealing with some rain. But here comes our change. Looking into Friday, we are going to have this cold front that's going to move on through. When I say cold front, it's not going to be that cold. We're dropping into the upper 60s, and then we are going to have some moisture in place. So we're hoping we can see a little bit of isolated activity Friday night into Saturday, but do not cancel your plans if you have plans those days, because it will be very isolated, if anything. And then after we move into Sunday, drier air is really just going to filter on in, allowing for more sunshine to return to the South Plains. But here's what we are expecting for tonight. 39 degrees out there, partly cloudy skies. And then tomorrow, your high is at 70 degrees. Going to be a gorgeous day. Lots of sunshine and very, very calm winds tomorrow. So if you want to practice your golf game, that is a good time to do it. Here's a look at your next 7 days, though. Friday, 10% chance for a little bit of rain, like I was saying, at night. 71 degrees as your high. Breezy conditions coming into play on Saturday with a high of 65 degrees. And then heading into next week, St. Patrick's Day on Tuesday, we're looking at the 70s. So it's a great week coming up. And I mean, yeah, exactly. Collier, you can work on your golf game tomorrow.
Oh, I need a lot more than one day to work on my golf game.
Well, I'll keep checking for you.
So get a start for you.
Good start.
Thanks, Rachel.
All right, more news headed your way here on KLBK. What popular spring break location are authorities discouraging college students from visiting? That answer when your KLBK News continues.